It's remarkably rich in texture.
What are you working on today?
So I'm working on this moonscape and I'm about to do the water line, and I'm not really good at painting straight lines. I mean, I'm okay at it, but a nice horizontal line. So I use tape. I use tape for my horizon line so I get a nice, clean, sharp line, because horizons on water are really sharp. And oftentimes I don't have a tape measure, so this is how I measure it. So I make sure I got it even. I jam my finger in there, so I know that's my line. So I'm high, so I'm gonna come down here. Pull that down to there. And I have a nice straight line there right now. So I'm mixing my two primary colors to get a nice turquoise color here is phthalo blue and phthalo green. And everything on the horizon is darker as it goes farther away. So I'm gonna put it on really dark here. So what's kind of cool is I'm putting this on here and it's really dark, but it's gonna come alive when I put the texture on there. I'll put a little bit more phthalo green on this side. My 80-gallon drum of titanium white here that I just scooped right out of there. Here's the magic stuff. This is it right here. This is what's gonna make this color come alive. My easels, you know, they're on these axes, so I can change the degree of angle based on the texture. You can see this one here. I got it down pretty low right now because that's pretty heavy paint on there. So I'm gonna try and homogenize all of this into more of a solid color on top. I don't want it all variegated and splotchy on where it's further away. This is a palette knife I made with cardboard and duct tape because I didn't have one that big. And I've had this for a couple months now and it's lasting. Oh. That was not intentional. So here's the fun part, is except for where I went over the tape line, just getting that nice clean line to the horizon. I'll go back and touch it up a little bit. And this kind of went over a little bit, but I'm gonna have a tree line there anyway, so it won't matter. And so at Gaffrey Art Material, we make this paint for artists. And if you guys had any questions or want to know more about these materials, just leave a question in the comments.